Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at graphing and we're specifically looking at functions that are in standard form. So standard form looks like this. If you're given f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, that is standard form. But before we continue, I just want to plug in the Teams chat again. Y'all please subscribe, comment any math video requests. Join the team chat. It's literally free and I help you with math there. But yeah, let's form a community there. And okay, so let's go back to today's topics. The steps for graphing in standard form are going to be these. So you want to first find the x coordinate of the vertex, which is also the axis of symmetry, by using the formula x equals negative b over 2a. Once you have that, you want to plug that value, that x value that you found, into the original equation, and that is going to be the y value of your vertex. And then once you're done with that, you're going to make a table of the values, and you're going to use that vertex that you just found as the middle point on your table. And then you're going to graph. Let's do an example. We're going to try the function y equals negative x squared plus 10x minus 26. So step 1, use the formula x equals negative b over 2a. And in this equation, that a is going to be negative 1, the b is going to be 10, the c is going to be negative 26. That's the pattern it follows. So we're going to have x equals negative 10 divided by 2 times negative 1. We're going to get negative 10 divided by negative 2 equals 5, and that's your axis of symmetry. That's usually where your graph reflects over the axis, over the x-axis. So now that you have that, you want to plug that into the equation to find the value of y. So all we're doing is we're taking x and we're plugging it into the original equation. So we're going to get y equals negative 5 squared plus 10 times 5 minus 26. That's going to result in negative 1. So your vertex is at 5, negative 1. Now, when you're making your table, you want to put the vertex in the middle of your table. So you're going to have values 5, negative 1 in the middle of your table, and then you're going to go back. So for your x, you're going to go back to 4, back to 3, and then you're going to plug those values into the original equation to find the y value. So I'll do the math on the side. And then once you're done with those, you're going to go forward from the vertex. So you're going to find values for 6 and 7 for x. And the math is on the side. And then we get those values. Now we just want to plot them. So when we're plotting, we just take them, we plot them, we connect them. And you can clearly see that the axis of symmetry is at x equals 5. That's where the graph reflects. And there you go. That's how you graph in standard form.